we'll guide you through how to completely uninstall Discord from Windows. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Just close the Discord, and once the Discord is closed, just go to the bottom right corner and you will see this icon, and from here you can just right click on Discord and choose to quit Discord. Now go to the Windows search bar and type Control Panel, and just open the Control Panel and you will see an option labeled as Programs. Just click on Uninstall a program under that, and from here just look for Discord, and here it is. You can just click on it, and once it is selected you will see an uninstall button appear. You can also right click on it and choose to uninstall. And once the Discord is uninstalled, just open your file explorer, just go to local disk C, and now go to users. Then open your user folder once again, and then open app data. If you cannot see your app data, you can just click on view and go to show and toggle on hidden items once again, and you will now see app data, which in my case it is here, and go to local. Now in this folder just search for Discord, and here is the Discord folder. Just right click on it and click on delete. And when you try to delete, and sometimes it may show an error like this, just press Ctrl Shift and Escape key on a keyboard to open your task manager. And once your task manager is open, just scroll down and find Discord. Just right click on Discord and choose to end task. And after the task is ended, just go back to your file explorer, reload the folder like so, and go to Discord once again and right click on it, and after selecting, just right click on it and click on delete, and the folder will now be deleted. Now just go back to your app data once again and go to the roaming folder. Just open the roaming folder and find Discord once again. Just select it and right click on it and choose to delete Discord. Uninstall. Now just go back to your Windows search bar and type Discord, and from here just click on open file location. This will take you to the programs folder, and if you find any Discord folder or shortcut here, you can just delete that as well by selecting it and clicking on delete. And finally, you can just open your recycle bin, just empty your Discord related items, but I'm just gonna empty my recycle bin. And now when I search for Discord again in my Windows search bar, it will not be visible.